Welcome to Divine Beautiful Petals. Today we will discuss about simple crystal greed. What are crystal greeds? Crystal greeds are a wonderful ritual to manifest your dreams. They are also known as crystal nets or crystal layouts or crystal arrangements. When crystals are placed on crystal cloth or template, they energetically connect with each other and communicate with each other. In this way, they work together to amplify or transmute the energies of the surrounding space. Crystal grid can be made on geometrical structure such as cloth or canvas or templates. Sacred geometry is all around us. It can be found in architecture, the leaves and branches of the trees, the spiral of galaxies, and in the cells of the human body too. Crystals themselves are made up of perfect crystalline structure. That is, under a microscope, crystals look repeating patterns of sacred geometrical formations. So, when we make a crystal grid, we are aligning the appropriate stones and the geometric form with our intentions to manifest. Therefore, crystal grids are an arrangement energetically aligned crystals in a sacred geometric shape charged by an intention for the purpose of manifestation. What are crystal grids used for? Well, crystal grids are made for different purposes. They can be purely spiritual in nature or more down to earth. They could be used for healing, protection, prosperity, love, manifesting, and anything you need help with. Now let us understand how to set up a crystal grid. When assembling a crystal grid, it is always best to follow your intuition. However, most crystal grids include a central stone, surrounding stones, amplification stones, and any objects of importance. Let us first discuss about a basic simple crystal grid. In a basic simple crystal grid, if you see the picture, you will see there is a central stone which can be in the form of a pyramid or a cluster or a big size crystal compared to the supporting crystals. This should be placed in the center. Ideally, it is best to use crystal according to your purpose, but when in doubt, use clear quartz, which is a crystal for manifestation. This is a simple crystal grid for financial growth. I have used a pyrite cluster at the center. If you see the crystal grid, you will see after the pyrite there are inner supportive crystals. So these are small citrine tumbles. You can use 6 to 8 crystals. You can use small tumbles or pointers or pencils. Here I have used tumbles. After that, you can see the outer supportive crystals. These can be 6 to 8 again, same numbers as inner supportive crystals. You can again use tumbles or pointers or crystal pencils. Here I have used green gel. We also need a piece of plain paper, ideally 7 centimeter by 7 centimeter, or you can use any size. Write your wish here and place this paper under the central crystal. Write positive affirmations as if the wish has already been fulfilled. You can also use a photograph, which is optional. You can use your photograph or the photograph of the person you are healing, or you can use a map or picture of the house you are making the grid for. Place the photograph under the central crystal. Here I have not used any photograph. A small map can be used for grids that are used to send healing or bring peace to a specific location, a house or a city or town or country. You can take a printout from Google and place it under the central crystal along with the note paper. You can use a template, you can take a printout or draw or just place the crystals according to the image. Here, I have not used any template. I have made a simple crystal grid as per my intuition. In a simple basic crystal grid, it is not necessary to use a template. What is important is your intention. Yes, your intention is important. Have full faith in your crystal grid and the universe. You can use a crystal wand or crystal pointer for charging the crystal grid. Before using the crystals, you need to clean, charge and program them. You can use tumbles, raw crystals, pyramids, pencils, pointers, angels, etc. for your crystal grid. The crystal should be related to the grid. It is important to clean, charge and program the crystals before you use them. Deprogram or deactivate the crystal after the purpose for the crystal is completed, and clean the crystals and keep them away. How to activate a crystal grid with an activation wand. Arrange all your crystals. Start with the central crystal and walk outwards. Sit for a moment. Pray to God and hold the activation wand with your eyes closed. Take deep breath and be clear about your intention. Open your eyes and point the tip of the activation wand towards the central crystal. You can visualize a light coming out of your activation wand and entering the central crystal. Visualize your desired goal and visualize as if it has been manifested. Use positive affirmations. Focus on your intention. Now trace a line with the activation wand from the central crystal to one of the supporting crystal from the inner part of the grid. Do this clockwise. Just follow your heart or your intention and charge the crystals. Now repeat the same way for the outer crystals. Just connect them to the central crystals. Now let me tell you a very simple way to activate your crystal grid. If you don't have a wand, hold the crystals in your hand. Sit down and close your eyes and meditate. Make your body relaxed. Breathe in and out. Visualize your goal for setting up the grid. Raise the crystal to your third eye and say, I program this crystal for whatever is your purpose, just say that. You can use your own affirmations. Now activate your palm. I will share a video to show you how to activate your palm. If you practice Reiki, you can give Reiki to the grid. If you do not practice Reiki, you can just visualize a white light or a white ray coming out of your palm and activating your grid. Just put your hands on top of the grid and visualize the rays coming out of your hands and activating the crystal grid. You can also use your finger. Start from the central stone and connect it to the inner crystals, and then connect all the crystals like in a clockwise way. Similar way, you can connect the central crystal with the outer crystals. Just follow your intuition, follow your heart. Dusting and cleaning the crystal grid is also important. If you have left the crystal grid for more than a week, it is important to clean them. Do not remove the crystals. You can use a wiper cloth You know, the one which you use for cleaning spectacles, or any soft cloth, and clean them. After your wish is manifested, it is very important for you to deprogram or deactivate the crystal grid. How to deprogram a crystal grid? Well, hold your crystal in your hand, raise it to your third eye chakra, and say, I cancel, clear, and delete this crystal of all previous programs or intentions now. You can reuse the crystals for other purpose after you deprogram them. Always thank the crystals for fulfilling your wishes. Now, this is the most simple way to make a basic simple grid. Please make a simple crystal grid at home and share the pictures with us. Thank you, thank you, thank you.